Does no one know rain is gonna fall down? The rage in me is terminal. There's no remedy but to let it rain. The princess has to pay for what she did that day, for what rain she took away.